काय खाल्लं? Okay. Let me share you the screen. So guys, anyone have idea what is the master data? Yes. Yes, guys.
No, sir, idea नहीं है.
Okay. So every module have some of the master data. Every module have some of the master data. So PP में we have a PP modules. In PP modules we have some of the master data. In sales and distributions we have some of the master data. Then in plant maintenance module, MM module, what is mean by master data, guys? I will tell you now. What is mean by master data? See, we have created enterprise structure. After that, we are going to create master data. After that, we are going to create transactional data. Then the reporting. I will give you some of the examples now. You are completely aware about the enterprise structure. So what are the components of enterprise structure, guys? Yes.
Company code,
Good.
Plant,
Company.
storage location,
Just a minute. Yes. Plant, storage location,
purchase organization, and purchase group.
purchase organization.
Purchase group.
Yes. This is the enterprise structure component. So guys, master data is this is the interview questions. Huh? So master data in SAP MM is material master, then vendor master, then purchase info record, then source list, quota arrangement, service master. This is a master data in SAP MM. Now, let's see what is the transactional data in SAP MM. See guys, all these are the interview questions. They will ask you what is the master data in SAP MM, what is, sorry, that the transactional data in SAP MM. So they will ask you these things. So let's bifurcate the transactional data. Purchase requisition, purchase order, contract, request for quotation, then scheduling agreement, then good receipts, invoices. This is the master data in SAP MM, guys. Okay. Then what are the reports that we are going to use? See, guys, actually, management is interested in the reporting. Okay. So reporting, material master report, vendor master report, PO reports, good receipt note report, then slow moving stock report, okay. These are the reports. These reports will get generated once you generate the transactional data. These reports get generated once you generate the transactional data. Then transactional data is based on master data. Transactional data based on master data. Master data is based on enterprise structures. So SAP is nothing but the network. See guys, all these things are based on each other. All enterprise structures, all transactional data and reportings are based on each other. If you not create the enterprise structure, then you cannot able to create the master data. If you not create the master data, there is no transactional data. If you not create any transactional data, you cannot able to generate the reports. Okay, so each and everything is dependent on everyone. Okay. Getting guys?
Yes, sir.
So this is the all network. So let's see the master data in SAP MM. Hey guys, in the logistics, in the material management, here it is the material master. Here it is the material master. Then this is only a material master guys. Huh? If you want to check other material masters, other master data, you have to click on the purchasing. Here it is the rest of the master data. Here, the rest of the master data is there. If you click over here, See here, info record, source list, quota arrangement, vendors, vendor master. All these are the master data. Okay. Now we will discuss about where this master data is used, how this is going to use, how we are going to create in our system. So guys, without material, no any model will work. Everything is depends on the material master. Okay, everything is depend on the material master. Okay. So guys, here it is, create, change, display. Vendor is nothing but the supplier. They are the business partners. Supplier or the business partner. It is also called the business partner. So for the transaction code, MM01, MM01, MM02, MM03. Then for the material master guys, there are 3 transaction codes. I will tell you the differences also. See, XK01 create, XK02, XK03. Then MK01, MK02, MK03, FK01, FK02, FK03. Now, what is the difference, guys? The questions arises, what is the difference? So this XK01 is a general transaction code. MK01 is used by purchasing guys. FK01 is used by finance people. Finance guys will use this. Okay. So the purchasing info record, guys, purchasing info record is combination of material and vendor with its net price and conditions. So the transaction code for this to create ME11, ME12, ME13. Create, change, display. If you want to create a fresh info record, then you have to use ME01.
11.
Yes, ME11. Then if you want to change that info record, then ME12. Then if you want to display that info record, then ME13 is there. What is mean by source list? This is a info record is combination of material and vendor. Info record, information of a record related to the purchasing. Information of records related to the purchasing. That is called info record. That is called info record. Source list, if you read it in opposite way, list of sources. List of sources. So for an example, what are the different supplier for a single type of material? That is called source list. You can go through this transaction code, or you can use the path as I am displaying on the screen. So transaction code to create the source list is ME01, ME02, ME0. Create, change, display. Okay. So from ME01, we can create also and we can change also. Okay. Then quota arrangements. Guys, what is mean by quota arrangement? Quota arrangement is the arrangement of purchasings percentage. So for an example, I will give you, I have a company and you guys are the vendors. So for the Nitish, I will give you 20% of business. For the Riaz, I will give you 20% of business. For Giridhar, I will give you 40% of business, 40, 40, 80. And for Pradeep, I will again give you 20% of business. So we are distributing our quota. So there will be no any monopoly of the vendor. No any monopoly of the vendor. So we are giving our business to different of the vendors to avoid the monopoly, to avoid the competition, to reduce the price of the material and to increase the quality of material. This is the master data. So for this, the transaction code is MEQ1, MEQ2, MEQ3. This is the transaction code. Then service master, create, change, display, AC01, AC01, AC03. See guys, in material management, we are going to learn procurement of material as well as procurement of services. Both things we are going to learn. Okay. Guys,
Sir, in the source list,
hmm,
I think one correction required. In the
Mhm.
source list, ME01 and ME01 is two times come here. I
no,
think
that's why I have repeat. I have tell you two times. For the source list, change T code is the same.
okay.
Yes. For change also, the transaction code is ME01, and for create also transaction code is ME01. For both, the transaction code is ME01. Getting?
Yes, sir.
This is your master data. So why we require guys to generate the transactional data, we have to create the master data. Without material master, no modules will work because every module is related to the materials. That's why material management play a good important role. One minute guys. हाँ सर बोला Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, some certifications exam has been arranged for the students. So the call is for that related. Okay. Sorry for that. So now guys, this is the master data. Okay. In this master data, any doubt guys? So I will start creating it. Gulshan, Giridhar, Pradeep,
नहीं सर
Riyaz. This is
Sir,
our
what is service master, sir?
service master.
Service
Yeah.
master के बारे में समझाओ ना, sir.
Yes, yes. Service master will come into the picture when we will create the services. When we will create the services or when we want to procure the service.
सर ये पीओ बनने के बाद काम में आता है क्या?
Yes.
Okay.
If you see all these activities we have to do before PO creation. Okay. I will tell you. See guys, we have a P2P scenario, that is procure to pay.
Procure to pay.
Yes. In this procure to pay, guys, we have to create the purchase requisition. After purchase requisition, we have to create the PO.
PO
After PO, good receipt notes, then
invoicing.
payment. Yes, billing. Invoices. This is our P2P scenario. Guys, this runs according to the industry. Okay. Some industry, in some industry, PR we have to create. RFQ we have to create, then GRN, then PO, then GRN. All these things you have to do, guys. All these things we are going to do in our after transactional data gets completed. In some of the companies, direct starting from the PO, GRN,
Invoices.
invoices. Direct. This also can be done.
तो जीआर के बाद एक आईआर भी होती है ना?
IR, this is invoices called the IR, invoice receipts.
Okay.
Yes. This is called IR. I mean, in many of the company, they start from the RFQ, PO, GRN, invoices. This also can be the process. Then, in many of the companies, contract, PO, GRN and invoices. We have to understand all this scenario, guys, to resolve the user's error and to resolve the user's supports. Okay. So after contracts, we have to do the agreement. Guys, this is the interview question. Agreement, GRN and invoice. Agreement is itself the PO. If you're creating the agreement, then there is no need to create the purchase order. Okay. These are the different type of the scenarios, and in the support project, we have to support end user for issues related to this. Okay. But to create all this scenario, we required master data. Without master data, we can't create anything from this. This is your end user scenarios. And we have to support this. We have to create the master data configurations. We have to create the transport request as per their requirement. So let's create master data. Before going into the master data, material master, I want to show you something. I think yesterday also I have shown, but yesterday on a Friday, I think. Okay. Just give me 1 minute.
ये कैसा स्टडी मटेरियल है क्या?
No, I just want to show you the material types, different material types. See, so you can make the photo of this. Okay. There are, see, material type, valuation class. This is very important. All over the world, this is going to be used. So material types are ROH, that is raw material. Then for the raw material, valuation class is 3000. Then what is mean by valuation class? I will tell you. What is the use of valuation class? We are going to see in the details in our upcoming lectures. FERT means, FERT means finished goods. These are the standard material type. Standard material types. Then HAWA, HAWA, that is the trading goods, guys. The valuation class all over the world. If you are going to create the trading material, then the valuation class is 3100. In the interview, these guys, this is the confirm question, guys. This is the confirm questions. They will ask you the material type and its valuation class. Material type and valuation class. Then trading goods, HAWA. ERSA is the material type. HIBE, that is operating supplies. VERP, that is the packaging materials. ENLAC, this is a non-stock items. Then DIM, that is service items, 3400. UNB means non-valuated materials. You can write down somewhere this, or you can take the photo of this, whatever you want, because this is the important thing, guys. Okay. Write down somewhere or take the photo. Is it okay? This is done, guys?
Yes, yes.
यस सर फोटो ले लिया हमने.
Okay, okay. This is the interview questions. They will ask you what are the different material types in the SAP and what are the different valuation class they are using. So this is the valuation class. This is valuation class. This is material type. What is this? Let's see. Let's create one material. Yeah, here you will get two options. Material master, material, specific and general. So let's create a raw material first. You have to create today's your homework. You have to create at least 10 materials. Any materials you take and you create. See, from this chart, you have to create at least 10 materials. System should be handy on your fingertips. Then only you can work in the company. Let's create one. Industry sector. What are the different industry sector, guys? Anyone tell me? Yes. Guys,
Oil, FMCG, and steel. And
yes, good. So these are the different industry sectors. See guys, mechanical, telecom, pharmaceuticals, robotics, optical fiber, telecommunications. All these are different material types. Industry sectors are available in the SAP. Okay. Enter.
तो यहाँ पे मेरा एक डाउट है,
Hmm.
इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर जो है ना, वो बाय डिफॉल्ट एसएपी बताएगा अपने को, या अपन क्रिएट भी कर सकते हैं इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर को?
We can also create it.
वी कैन आल्सो क्रिएट. ओके.
Yes. Some industry sectors are standard industry sectors are given by the SAP, but
Okay.
we can also create it.
कैन यू शो मी आल्सो?
Not now.
ओके, ठीक है.
Yeah. Once your basic get clear, then we will move into that. Okay. Otherwise,
Done.
there will be a lot of confusion in your head, and maybe some will also get the frustration. So
ओके.
yes. So I will show you all those things, but just keep your basics clear. Okay. Enter. Now creating one material, uh, glass. Let's say glass. Enter. What is this, guys? This is again the interview questions. What are the different views available in the material masters? So these are some of the views available in material master. Basic data, sales org data, purchasing data, MRP data. I will list down here. Basic data, then purchasing data, MRP data, sales data, quality data, warehouse view, general data or storage data. These are the different views are available in the material master. So when you want to purchase it, you have to maintain this view. This is the responsibility of purchasing guys as well as the material management guys. Then MRP means material requirement planning. Production guys maintaining these views. Sales needs to maintain by sales and delivery. Quality view is maintained by quality management module. Warehouse, this has to maintain by store or warehouse management peoples. This has to maintain by store. See guys, if you are looking toward this structure, it means that
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
What happened?
గిరిధర్ భయ్య మనోడికి కాల్ వచ్చినట్టుంది,
అంటావా?
మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టండి.
అదే ఇంతకు ముందు ఇట్లా అయింది, ఏమైందని అట్లనే చూస్తున్నా. నా ప్రాబ్లం ఉందే అనుకుంటున్నా అప్పటి నుండి.
నేను అదే అనుకున్నా కానీ
What happened, guys? Hello. Yes. What happened? रियाज साहब क्या बोल रहे हो तेलुगु में?
आपको गिरधर पूछ रहे हेलो हेलो बोले तो आपको कॉल आया तो
वो
इसलिए म्यूट में चले गए,
एक स्टूडेंट ने कॉल किया था।
तो मैं बोल के समझ रहा हूँ।
नहीं, उसका सेकंड शिफ्ट में है ना, तो सपोर्ट भी करते हैं ना अपन जॉब को।
जी 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 जी।
उसका एक इशू आया था, पीओ में स्मार्ट फॉर्म जनरेट नहीं हो रहा था, तो उसको सॉल्यूशन बताना था। मैं अभी उसको तेलुगु में बताऊं?
గిరిధర్ సెకండ్ షిఫ్ట్ లో ఉందంట, స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్ ఏదో పీఓ రాలేదంట, సో సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చిండంట మనోడు. समझ में आया सर?
सर अगर बीच में इन लोगों को सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे तो फिर हमको भी सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे, हमको भी तो सर का जरूरत पड़ेगा ना बीच बीच में।
Okay, guys, चलो, let's concentrate here. नहीं, that has taken the class from me. Okay, so now they require some support. So issues are coming now, that's why we have to support, nothing else. Okay, so let's enter here, guys. For which plant we are creating? For plant 1000. For plant 1000. Okay, I think someone has already created the material glass. Let's change material name, glass new. Let's create it. So as of now, guys, if you are looking toward this, I have only selected 3 views: basic data view, purchasing, and here is the accounting one. In accounting one, we are going to give the price. In the purchasing, we are going to give the purchase group, and in the basic data, we are going to give the name or the description. See, guys, one more incident I want to share. You are also saying here and he is also saying there, so I need to support everyone. So be patient, be relaxed, everything will going to cover. Okay, let's enter. For 1000 plant, I am creating it. Let's give the material description that already we have given. Glass new. Let's give the basic unit of measure each. Then maintain the material group. What is mean by material group, guys? Any idea?
मटेरियल को काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल जो होता है उसका ग्रुपिंग होता है, मतलब किस तरह के, जैसे रॉ मटेरियल है मान लीजिए, तो रॉ मटेरियल का वो के ग्रुप होता है, ये रॉ मटेरियल के अंदर कई सारे मटेरियल आ जाते हैं।
Okay. See, guys, in the interview, they will ask you, give the definitions of material group. Material group is the group of materials containing similar characteristics. It means that if the characteristics is same, that is, if materials are related to the wood, materials are related to the plastics, materials are related to the metals, then we have to give them a group. In the colleges also, the first class students, they are going into the class A, division A. second class in the division B, and the marks below 60%, they are going into the class C. It means that the percentage is the characteristics. So glass, let's say glass is related to some mirror or something we need to take. Okay, fluorescent tube we can take. In the interview, they will also ask what are the important fields, okay, in XYZ view. Sometimes they will ask you what is the important field in the basic data, what is the important field in the purchasing view, what is the important field in accounting view. At that time, your observations should be very perfect. You have to observe different fields. See guys, in the basic data views, there is the base unit of measure, there is the material group, lab office, validity from, cross-plant material status. One more thing I want to show you guys. If you are not aware XYZ field where we have to use. So just click here and press the F1. SAP has maintained its use and theory related to that field. If you are not aware about the fields, then you can do like this. You can go to that field, press F1. Okay. Then enter. This is our purchasing view. This views we have to maintain, guys. That is purchasing view. In the purchasing view, guys, there are many things we have to understand. Here, the purchasing group that we have created at the enterprise structure in the SPRO, material management, create purchasing group. So in this field, you have to maintain the purchasing group. Anyone has created purchasing group in configuration, guys? Giridhar? Yes.
I'm not clear.
RW
Hmm?
RW search करो
RW.
हाँ.
Sounds
हाँ.
okay. Let's take this one. Then, if you want to generate the automatic PO on this material, then you have to tick here. You have to tick here. If this material is related to the batch management, then you have to tick here. If on this material, we have to give the GST. Okay. What is long form of GST, guys?
Goods and service tax.
Yes. So if any material is applicable for the GST, then you have to maintain the taxes over here. You have to maintain the taxes over here. Let's say this material is full GST. Then cross-plant material status is also there. What is meant by cross-plant material status or plant-specific material status? If you want to block purchasing of this material, then you have to give the 01 block for procurement warehouse. Okay. If you want to block this material for task lists and bill of material, you can use 02. Likewise, as per the client requirement, you have to maintain the plant specific material status if required, huh, guys. Generally, this will not taken into the consideration, but sometimes client want to block the materials. So in that case, you use this plant specific material status. Let's close.
अदरवाइज सर हम इसको ब्लैंक रखेंगे अगर कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है तो.
Yes, now I am keeping the blank because I don't have a requirement as of now.
ओके.
Yes, just for your informations, I am giving the tab related issue. See, if this material is included in this source list, then you have to tick this. If we want a quota arrangement, see in a master data, we have checked that where it is quota arrangement. See, if this material is related to the quota, then you have to use a proper quota arrangement usage. What is this? I will tell you in upcoming lectures. See, that is purchase order, scheduling line, plan order, purchase requisitions, material requirement planning, production order, and invoices. Let's close it. As of now, I didn't require, so I'm not taking. Enter. Now one of the important tab, that is accounting 1. In this tab, guys, we are going to maintain the cost of the product. See, moving price, standard price. Two prices are available, moving price and standard price. So you can choose, you have to maintain moving price or standard price depending on this price control indicator. Depending on this price control indicator. What is this price? This is again the interview question, guys. There are two price control indicators available. One is standard price and another one is moving average price. What is this standard price and moving average price, guys? Any guess? Yes. Yes.
Standard price means it's fixed and moving
Name
price is
itself
moving
indicate,
from
guys.
check.
Yeah, name itself indicate. So you can try for it.
Moving price, it means it may be fluctuate.
Moving
Up and
price.
down.
Okay, yes.
Yes.
Correct. Moving price means price vary according to the market value. Some of the companies will ask you when we have to keep price control indicator yes, when we have to keep the price control indicator B. Then generally for raw materials, companies are giving moving average price. Why? Because guys, the price of the raw materials depends on the market because we are purchasing from the market, no? That's why. And for rest of the material type, guys, we have to use the standard. What are the rest of the material types? I have shown in the PDF here. So for the raw material types, we are using moving average price. We are using moving average price. Rest of the material types, we can use standard price. We can use standard price. Okay. So we are creating a raw material That's why I am taking the, which price should I have to take?
Price.
Hmm?
Moving price.
Yes. Moving average price. Valuation class. What is the valuation class, guys? As I am taking this raw material, what should be the valuation class? I have given you in the photo.
It
Huh?
means 3,000. 3,000.
3,000. Good. So 3,000 is our valuation class. I will tell you why this valuation class SAP has given. Behind every valuation class, guys, the GL is assigned, general ledger is assigned, and through that general ledger, the price is going to flow. See, this price is going to flow. This price is going to flow on the GL through this valuation class. Okay. Getting, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt as of now?
एक डाउट था,
Hmm?
जो करेंसी है
Hmm?
INR में कैसे चेंज करना है?
This currency you want to see?
हाँ, yes, that's all.
Where we have taken this currency, guys? Any idea? Any clue?
Basic data.
No. From where this currency is flowing, guys?
सर वो
From
ग्लास
the
न्यू के नीचे
plant.
हैम्बर्ग के कारण है क्या?
No, both answers are wrong. See, guys, only attending the lectures is not that is effective. Huh? You
Sir,
have to be
yeah.
alert. You have to do the daily practice. Yes. So, any answer? Yes. How we can change the currency? The next question is from where this currency is flowing. Then only you can
Actually, it is based on the company code creation time. We are selected
Yes.
that.
At the time of the company code, we have selected, if you remember, guys. Okay. So from there only you can able to change the currency. From there only you can change the currency. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
I think here is you created in the previous one. So that is the reason you are showing for a European rupee, maybe.
Previous one means?
It means like this is when I was created time Indian rupee only in the class time.
Previous I didn't get to.
No, actually.
He's saying when we created it was INR, but it is now showing as euro.
Because at the configuration we are not changed. No, it is the same.
Yes.
And
No,
don't
that
change
is not-
also. Don't change also. Why? Because this is the standard plant I am using. Whatever you want to change, you do it in your own plant. Okay. Don't change anything in 1000, guys. Otherwise, it will create impact to all students, not for only our batch, but all students. Then again, we have to reinstall all standard settings with the help of base system.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever you want to create, you have to change, try, create it in your own plant. Okay.
Yes,
So now
sir,
guys, yeah,
sir, if we put the price control is S, then we have to put the value in standard price.
Yes,
Okay.
you
The
can
moving
change
price
it
is
from-
blank. Okay.
yeah, you can change it. Let me show you. Change it. And then standard price 1,000.
Okay.
When you will get the job, guys, you will come to know that daily, at least we have to handle almost 200 to 500 peoples with different project with different clients. So sorry for the call, but you as of now you can't understand the situation. Once you will get the job as a consultant, at that time you never have the time to talk with your family too. Okay. Because if someone is paying to us, they feel that we buy that person, but it's not like that. It is a quite obvious human tendency, but it's okay, not an issue. Let's it. So guys, I have taken only 3 views: basic data, purchasing, and accounting one way, because as of now I require this. I don't want to produce this material. If I want to produce this material, then I have to maintain the MRP views. If I want to maintain if I want to sell the material, then we have to maintain the sales view. If we want to do the product costing, then we have to maintain the costing view. If I want to store this material in warehouses, then this is the warehouse view we have to maintain. I don't want to do all these things. That's why as of now, I have selected only required views, guys. Your homework, guys, you have to create 10 different materials with different selections. It means that for some of the view, you have to create the MRP view. For some of the views, some of the material you have to create with sales view. 100% error will come up. Okay. So try to create with those and try to create with different materials types. And after some lectures, I will show you the all config. Means from where this valuation class is coming, from where this pricing procedure is coming, from where this number range is coming. All this part we are going to cover. Okay. But before going into that, please make your base, make your concepts strong. Okay. So guys, any doubts in this? Yes. Gulshan, Giridhar,
नहीं सर
Pradeep, Riyaz, Nitish. Yes, guys.
No.
No, sir.
Okay. In some time, I will share you the real-time notes related to all these master data creations. And in next 1-2 minutes, I will share you today's class recording. Please go through it. And tomorrow, if there is any doubts, we will meet again. Otherwise, I will start with the vendor master. Getting guys? Let's
Okay.
say, huh?
Hmm.
Now this class new material is created. Yes, Pradeep, Giridhar. Yes, guys. Yeah, any doubt? If speed is okay, speed is fast, you can directly tell to me. If anything is missing, you can directly communicate with me. If anything you are not understanding, you can directly communicate to me. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. As of now, any doubts? Giridhar, Gulshan, Nitish, Riyaz.
नहीं सर
Okay. Then Pradeep.
नहीं सर सर ये जो मटेरियल कोड है ये नंबर पे भी हो सकता है या सर खाली अल्फा?
Yeah, देखो ये this is the configuration actually. We can set it depends on the configuration. Okay. It is numerical it is alphanumerical or it can be a alphabet only. Okay. So all ways are possible.
हम्म,
Okay, any doubts in this?
I'll tell
Yeah.
you while practicing if any doubt, Mr.
Huh?
Tomorrow I will tell you if while practicing anything.
Yes, that is my focus actually. When you are going to practice, then only you will come with the doubts.
सर एक तो क्वेश्चन और था
Hmm.
कि अगर हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो आप कौन से मतलब टाइम थोड़ा सा फ्री रहते हैं कि हम कुछ डाउट हो तो पूछ सकें कि इसी समय पूछना है?
See, weekend you can ask me anytime, and in this class time you can ask, because see guys, 10 to 7 I have the projects from the multiple zones, means European sites, Asian sites, and Saudi sites. So I have to work from the morning 5 a.m. Okay. So morning 5 to 6, 7. Yeah. Post lunch, I will be some time free. So you can ping me.
Okay.
Yeah. If
Okay.
I will free, I will
After
reply
1
you.
or 2 ना?
Yeah. Post lunch. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay sir, ठीक है.
Oh,
Thank you.
yes. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Good night. Take care.
बाय सर, गुड नाइट।
Good night
Sir.
sir, good night.
Yeah, Nitesh, बोलो.
एक ये था मैंने